In August 1951, the quiet French town of Pont-Saint-Esprit became the centre of a most disturbing medical mystery of the 20th century. Over several days, more than 250 residents suddenly developed severe neurological and psychological symptoms. People screamed in terror, suffered violent convulsions, attempted self-harm, and experienced vivid hallucinations. Some believed they were being attacked by beasts or consumed by fire. At least 5 people died, dozens were committed to psychiatric institutions, and many others were hospitalized. Doctors quickly suspected poisoning linked to bread from a local bakery. Investigators focused on ergot, a parasitic fungus called Claviceps purpuri that's known to infect rye and other grains. Under a microscope, ergot appears as a dark fungal growth replacing normal grain kernels. When contaminated flour is baked into bread, toxic chemicals known as ergot alkaloids can enter the body. These alkaloids strongly affect the nervous system because they chemically resemble neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. They bind to the receptors in the brain and blood vessels, disrupting normal signaling, and is known to cause things like hallucinations, psychosis, seizures, muscle spasms, intense pain, and dangerous constriction of blood vessels. Some victims likely died from complications such as cardiac stress, severe seizures, accidents during psychotic episodes, or reduced blood flow caused by vascular constriction. Historically, some ergot poisoning has been linked to things like gangrene, a condition where tissue dies due to lack of circulation. This case drew a lot more attention though because ergot compounds are closely related to LSD. LSD was synthesized from lysergic acid, a chemical derived from ergot fungus, helping explain why victims experienced extreme hallucinations and altered perception. And it's in this that years later, theories emerged claiming the Central Intelligence Agency, or CIA, may have secretly exposed the town to psychoactive chemicals during early Cold War experiments linked to Project MKUltra. Some researchers suggested aerosolized LSD or contaminated food could have been tested on civilians. However, no conclusive evidence has ever proven this theory, and many toxicologists still believe contaminated grain remains the most scientifically plausible explanation. The Pont-Saint-Esprit poisoning remains a powerful example of how fungal toxins can alter human biology, behavior, and even entire communities. If you like this content, guys, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.